Hey everyone, today we are going to be reviewing a new product that just launched. It's so good. I'm obsessed with it. I've been using it all the time. So if you have ever seen the other one, this is the Peter Thomas Roth Instant Eye Firm Temporary Eye Tightener. This was their first one. I bought this. I have barely used it because I'm not going to lie, I did not love this one. Well, they just came out with this one, and basically all the complaints from the other one, they fixed. There was complaints that it was like really tight, it left a white cast, it wasn't good. It was fine until you smiled, and then when you made expressions, it just didn't look right. So I actually have this on right now because I'm very self-conscious of my under eye. I am actually gonna remove this and I'm gonna show you guys how I use it. And then I'm also gonna show you guys how it wears with makeup, because that was another huge thing with this. It looked horrible under makeup. So it was one thing if you were just gonna wear it without, with a fresh face or whatever, but with makeup, not good. No, this is 1 ounce and this one is only 0.67 ounces. I wanna say the prices are very similar. I think they're both right around 38. So I wish this one was a little bit bigger, and yeah, I probably won't even be using this one anymore, but anywho. All right, I'm gonna go get a wipe and then we're gonna remove this, and then you guys are gonna see what my under eyes actually look like without this stuff. Don't judge. This has all been like trial and error, kind of what I have found from using this product. So I have nothing else on my face right now. My brows are filled in a little bit because they are like non-existent, but I am going to put on a little bit of moisturizer, and then I would let that dry, and then I put on this. This is, by the way, if you are in need of a new moisturizer, this stuff is so good, and it's only around $10. It's pretty much like an all-in-one moisturizer. It's got, let's see, wrinkles and fine lines, dark spots, skin complexion, dry skin, redness, and more. But I've been using this. I've been using this like instead of my really expensive Rodan and Field stuff, and I actually like this stuff better. I'm just gonna let this dry a little bit. So this product is said to instantly tightens, firms, smooths, and blurs the look of puffiness, fine lines, deep wrinkles, and crow's feet. Suitable for all skin types and tones. And let me just tell you, it does just that. So this is my under eyes with nothing. You can see when I smile. I am 44, so I definitely have some wrinkles. Yeah, and it looks like puffiness here. A lot of it's hereditary. Yeah, so this product helps so much. So now what I'm gonna do, everything's pretty much dry. I'm just gonna take a little bit, smaller than a pea-sized amount, I would say. And this is for both eyes. And then I just kind of rub it together. And then I'm just gonna go underneath. And I bring it all the way out to where my crow's feet are. And like all the way in, because that's like where my dark circles and puffiness are. And then I'm just gonna do the fan and kind of let you guys like see. I'll speed it up so that you guys can kind of see like it will literally, you will see a difference. Try to remain emotionless for 3 to 7 minutes, just so that it can so it can dry and then you won't have lines. So I feel like you can already tell a difference. It's literally been like a minute with the fan. I can already tell that it has just tightened everything up. The dark circles I feel like have gotten a little bit smaller. It's crazy. So all right, I'm gonna let this dry. I might wait like 5-10 minutes just to be sure. And then I'll come back and I'll show you guys the makeup, like how I apply makeup. And then I'm gonna do a wear test for you guys. I'm just gonna wear it for the rest of the day, and then we'll check back in, because I feel like it does last me all day. So I'll check back in later and we'll see how we're doing. All right, I'll be back. Okay, we are back, and everything's dry. It does not feel tight at all. Like this original one would feel super tight and there would be like a white cast. There is nothing with this one, you guys. Like it's crazy. So see when I smile, like my wrinkles are much smaller, I feel, and it just kind of like holds everything in place, and just like, it just tightens tightens up the under eyes. Like, I'm so impressed with this product. Okay, so I'm gonna go in, I'm just gonna do my normal, this is kind of my everyday makeup routine. I do use a foundation. Usually, sometimes I'll just use like a tinted moisturizer, but I have been using this because this is my favorite foundation lately, and it's so light and my skin still feels like skin. This is from Rare Beauty. Mine is in the color 210N. I don't even know where I got this. It might have been from like a BoxyCharm or an Ipsy or something, but this is what I've been using. And then when I do it, I just avoid the under eye area completely. I don't put anything really under there. And I even stopped wearing concealer. If you get a little bit like right underneath, it's not that big of a deal. But I have found that if I do use concealer, it gets kind of cakey and flaky looking, and I just don't like how it looks. So I haven't been using any concealer. So this has been my go-to palette lately, this Laura Geller. It's so good. I did another video on this and everyone loves this thing. But this palette comes with pretty much everything you need for like everyday makeup. 3 eyeshadows, 2 highlighters, 1 shimmer, 1 not, a blush, and a bronzer, and they're just so good. So I'm just gonna use actually a little bit of this highlight, and I put this over my eyelids just to even out any darkness up there. I don't usually wear eyeshadow like during the day. I just do this. I just use this color just to kind of even out the lids. Curl my lashes while we're over here. And then I just like to go in with a little bit of the bronzer and give the face a little bit of color. And I try to avoid the eye area just because. And then I do use a little bit of blush. And the cool thing about this palette is that you don't need a lot. A little goes a long way, and this palette will last you forever. I'm gonna finish off with my Essence mascara. This is by far my favorite mascara. It's $5. Comes in a bunch of different kinds. I actually accidentally bought the brown black the last time, but it's fine. You can't really tell the difference. Okay, so my makeup is done. This is kind of just what I've been doing every day. And if I'm telling you guys, if I didn't have this stuff on, I know my dark circles are not gone completely, but if I didn't have this on right now, it would be so much worse. So I'm really happy with this product. This is how it's looking right now. I will do a check back in a few hours and just see like how it's wearing. But yeah, overall, I'm really happy with the new formula. If you guys have tried the other formula and like it, you're probably gonna love this one even more. So far, I'm happy with it. But yeah, I'll see you guys in a few. All right, this is how it's looking in natural lighting. I know it's kind of hard to tell, but if I did not have this on, my dark circles would be way more noticeable. So I think this stuff works. All right, guys, it's the end of the day. I'm ready to go take all this makeup off. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Let me know if you've tried either of these products before. Let me know your thoughts. I definitely prefer the newer version better. So I'm really happy with it. I feel like it's just given me some more confidence because I'm super self-conscious about my eyes. So for now, I'm gonna hold off on trying Botox because I'm happy with this. I'm trying to hold off as long as possible. So, all right, thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you all next time. Bye.